Hi, I'm Kristen Fantin with Schluter-Systems. I am the field rep for the state of Michigan. Thanks for joining us today for our Tips and Tricks Design Edition. Today we will be reviewing one of our profiles, the QUADEC. So for everyone at home, this is what it looks like. It has more of a square edge to it, a little bit more modern. I like it because it's a pretty clean profile. We actually just redid our master bathroom, so I wanted to show you a couple different ways in which we utilize this profile, both aesthetically and functionally as well. So here we used it to trim out one of our niches. We used the cream color in the QUADEC, and then we also incorporated one of our Schluter knit shower shelves in there as well. We do have those available in trendline finishes, so the shelves, the profiles, and we do have drains, matching drains that will all coordinate together. So we trimmed out this QUADEC with our universal in and out corner piece here. We also chose to use it to accent our mural in the bathroom as well. So I was personally just looking for something to break up the pattern between the field tile and the accent, something that wasn't going to be super expensive, but just gave that line between the two, and the QUADEC was perfect for that. We also used the QUADEC to finish the edge of our tile as bullnose. As you know, sometimes bullnose is made at a different factory at a different time. Sometimes it's made on a different clay body. It's meant to coordinate, so sometimes bullnose won't always match. So using profiles really gives that customer peace of mind, especially with color consistency. So you can see that we used it here as a trim piece, so it finishes out really nice, nice and clean, and is color consistent on all the different pieces. We have lots of other different profiles to use as well. Our regular Jolly and our Rondec can be used as great design accents too. Thanks for joining us to talk a little bit about the QUADEC today and the different ways you can use it. Please make sure you check back for more Tips and Tricks Designer Edition.